Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use an FTP server in Cisco Packet Tracer. We're going to send a file from one PC to the server and then download it to the other PC. First, let's create the network. We'll use a server, a router, a switch, and two PCs. Let's connect them using appropriate cables. Once that's done, we need to configure the router. Open the router, go to the Config tab. You'll see two interfaces. Click on the first one, enable the port, and assign it an IP address. Now do the same for the second interface. Enable it and assign a different IP address. Next, let's configure the IP addresses for the PCs. Open the first PC, go to the Desktop tab, and then IP configuration. Assign a unique IP address that matches the router's network. And for the default gateway, enter the router's IP. Repeat the same steps for the second PC, but assign it a different IP address from the same network. Now, let's configure the server. Open the server, go to the Desktop tab, then IP configuration. Use an IP address in the same subnet as the router, but change the last octet to avoid conflicts. The default gateway should also be the router's IP. After that, go to the Services tab on the server, then click on FTP. You'll see a default user named Cisco. Let's create a new user and call it Cisco2 with a password. Now, let's test the connection. From the first PC, go to the command prompt and ping the server's IP address. If the ping replies are successful, we're ready to proceed. Let's create a text file on the first PC. Go to Desktop greater than text editor, type some content, and save it as test.txt. Return to the command prompt, and now we'll upload the file to the server. Type FTP followed by the server's IP address. Enter the username and password you created earlier. Once logged in, type put test.txt to upload the file. You'll get a message confirming that the file was uploaded successfully. Now, let's download the file on the second PC. Open the command prompt, connect to the server using FTP, and log in with the same credentials. Type get test.txt to download the file. Once it's done, type dir to list the files, and you'll see the file listed there. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.